Hello traders, welcome to another video. So in this video we will analyze and we will discuss about the Tesla stock, and we will try to predict the price movement of Tesla stock in coming trading sessions on the basis of price action movement and on the basis of technical analysis. So from the chart we can see that we have seen a bullish rally in previous month, and the price of Tesla stock climbed over $1,000 and it is currently trading at all-time high, and also its market capitalization increased to $1 trillion. So let's just discuss how the price can behave in coming trading session on such scenarios. So let's just discuss a tweet that is getting attention of many investors. So on the Twitter, Elon Musk, let me just read this tweet. So from this tweet, much is made lately of unrealized gains being a means of tax avoidance, so I propose selling 10% of my Tesla stock. Do you support this? So from the tweet you can see that Elon is running a poll and asking his follower to selling his stock or his share on stocks, and asking, and he is also, in the Twitter thread, if you read the another tweet from his account, I will abide by the result of this poll whichever way it goes. So he's saying if the poll is in favor of selling, then he will sell the stock. So it is very obvious, if he sell the stock, then the stock price may do some corrections. So let's just check this on chart. So on the chart if you focus over the RSI, let me just show you what I'm talking about. So here if you focus on the daily chart of Tesla, and if you look over here at the RSI indicator, relative strength indicator, the currently RSI level is in overbought zone, so we can expect a down move from the RSI perspective, because currently it is trading on the higher RSI. It is way over the you can say way over the defined limit, which is 70 level. So RSI about 20 is seen predicted as overbought, but is currently trading near to 94 RSI. So we can say if he is going to sell his stock, and also from the technical point we can see that it might you can say there might be some correction we can see from the stock on the basis of technical analysis on the daily chart. And also if we plot some important support, resistance and important movement, then let me just show you on daily chart. So on the daily chart, if we draw as you can see from the chart, and let's just discuss in detail. So from the chart you can see that it is currently trading near to resistance zone of this parallel channel, and we can expect a down move in the coming trading session and a little bit of correction toward the lower level. And from the chart it is clear that this is a window zone, or this is a, you can say, a gap up opening, and the price may retest or cover this gap up and then move to higher level also. And if we switch back to 1 hour time frame chart, so let's just discuss what is happening on the 1 hour time frame chart. So on the chart you can see from the chart you can see that uh, after the breakout of this triangle or this zone, the price moved to higher level, and then it is currently trading inside this rectangle or this consolidation zone. So we can see a breakout in downward side and in upward side also. So this is the scenario on 1 hour time frame. Currently 1 hour time frame is in consolidation zone, and on the daily chart that we already discussed, we can see some correction. Otherwise, on the technical terms, the trend is still bullish because there is no major, you can say, resistance toward the buying side. And if you focus on the volume profile, there is a accumulation of volume at higher numbers, or you can say this volume profile has a good zone for buyer side. So we can also expect a buying movement if the uh, price is able to break out this rectangle. Otherwise, if the price break out toward the lower level, then we can see a correction in the price towards the gap up or toward the window that we already discussed in this video. So these are my analysis for Tesla stock, and we will discuss more about Tesla and other tradable asset in another video. So thank you.